It has not been challenges, it has not been bed of roses. His Royal Highness King Dr. Ateke Tom JP, voice of Okrika Nation, on His Royal Highness King Dr. Ateke Tom JP. At this point, His Royal Highness
Chief Honorable Naira, who is the chairman of the Okrika Divisional Council of Chiefs, representing all the chiefs of Okrika, Be Se.
Okrika Nation have decided to honor our king. He is the commander-in-chief of the people. We cherish him much. He has done a lot for us.
Yes.
Gold and silver we have none. What we have, we gave. And we are giving him the highest, most distinguished title in Okrika land. The Be Se Poku, the voice of Okrika Nation. Is the voice of Okrika Nation. Is the voice of Okrika Nation. For us to have peace today is His Majesty. For us to have more buildings is His Majesty. For us to possess our territories is our Majesty. For us to treat our children when they are sick is our Majesty. He is the father of the widow.
No.
Father to the physical challenge. Husband to the widows. He's a great man. He is the government house of Okrika Nation. He has been assisting everybody, whether known or unknown, to sponsor people from here to India for a treatment. It's not easy. It's a matter of dollars. He will not ask you where you come from. Therefore, we, the chiefs of the Okrika Nation, we have decided to honor him. He's our leader. He remains our leader. This crown is a special crown. This crown is my Excellency is a special crown. It is a crown among the crowns. Therefore, I humbly present to him his crown to accept our honor, to accept. God will continue to protect you. Your Excellency, with due respect, I present to you this crown of wisdom, this crown of prosperity, this crown of long life, this crown of